Hello everyone. So how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So there is a one challenge which every creator face, which is content. How to find content ideas. How to get lots of content. So we don't have to think about content, which topic I have to make a video. This is a very big challenge in every creator's journey. So I was thinking about it. What is the best way how we can find so we don't have to think about the research and find the content. So I don't have to give lots of time on that thing. So I find there are some points, 4 or 5 points. On these points I am going to talk and tell you how you can find easily any content. The best way, the best method. Not only you will find the content, overall you are going to develop yourself. So the first and very amazing way to find a content is book. If you are reading a book, well done. And if you are not reading book, you have to just start reading. Because when I started creating, I was also searching on YouTube content. But you are not going to find lots of topics, lots of ideas only from YouTube. You are not going to find. Some ideas you can find, but the best way and best method to find content is books. Just start reading book. If you are going to start reading book from 1 or 2 page, every day you are going to get ideas on which topic you have to make a video. So this is a first and very important thing which I noticed because I already started reading books, and every day I am getting lots of ideas. There are 10 to 15 topics are mentioned there I have to make. I don't have to think about it. So this is the very amazing and very important thing which is book. You have to just start reading book. You will get the lots of ideas and you are going to improve yourself also. To become a creator, it doesn't mean you have to just tell the people, to your audience. It doesn't mean only this. It means you have to develop yourself and you are upskilling yourself and just guiding to your audience. So first way is book, and second way I will say the influencer in your niche. If you are doing anything, you have decided to do anything and you are creating, so there may be lots of influencer in your niche. You have to just follow them and see their previous videos and recent videos. You are going to get ideas from them. This is the second thing which most of the creators recommend. And the third thing is your experience. If you are here sitting and telling your story, so it means you have to tell your story, your experience, how you think about yourself, how many things you experience in your life. You have to just share to the audience. They are very interested to listen your story. So we have to share our experience, our incident, how many things I have faced. I have to just share all these things. And the fourth, you can find there are lots of websites and apps where you can find the lots of ideas and content. So the first website is Quora, which is the platform of question and answer. People are asking the question, you can also give the answer, and you can also ask the question. Someone will give you the answer of your question. This is Quora. And then there are some website like Answer the Public, answer the public, you can go and you will search the keyword and you will find lots of answers related to that keyword. And then Google is also there. You can find any topic on Google. And then Google Trends, you can also find any topic on Google Trends. And there are lots of keywords tool. You can find lots of topic on this. And then YouTube is also there. So these are the thing. From there you can find lots of topic to create a content. But overall, you have to start consuming good content. You have to just start consuming good content, because if you will start the consuming good content, in your mind there will be lots of good things. So you can speak, you can share, you can deliver to your audience. So these are the things which I shared with you all, and I think this video will be helpful for you all. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today.